Hey Devon, I have so many testimonials since I've been following you, and I'll be forever grateful, but this one takes the cake. When you first started talking to us about Scalar, you asked everyone to send in pictures of people who could benefit from it. So I sent you a picture of my son and his dad. My son had a kidney transplant almost 10 years ago, and his kidney function after the procedure never passed 50%. He eats well, juices every day, doesn't eat junk food. So I couldn't understand why it stayed at 50%. Shortly after me sending you his pic, it has been lingering at 70%. I didn't make the connection until recently. His blood work is done every month, and all of a sudden it went from 48% to 69%. The doctors never said anything, but I always check his blood work. Even with him catching C, it stayed at 70%. He only had mild cold symptoms. Now I want a Scalar device for my home. I'm grateful for you even offering to random people's pictures on your device. Thank you.